In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help yourself if your search menu is not working and you can't type onto the search bar or search menu on your HP, laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Up at the top, select Run New Task, and then type in CMD, like you see on my screen, and check mark where it says Create this task with administrative privileges. Select OK, and then you can just type in SFC space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word. Attach that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve your search issues that you're experiencing on your HP laptop. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.